If you talk to customers for a living, especially the angry ones, you're in the right place. I'm Myra Golden. For 20 years, I've taught people how to calm furious customers and stay in control of the hardest conversations. More than 3.2 million of them so far. Now I'm doing something new. I'm teaching you how to use AI to make the hardest parts of this job easier. The tough emails, the brutal chats, the calls that used to ruin your day. On this channel, you get three things: the exact words to say to difficult customers, the psychology behind why those words work, and the AI tools I build to give you backup on every single shift. No fluff, no theory you can't use, just skills that you can try on your next customer. If that's what you've been looking for, subscribe and stick around.